Today we will be multiplying algebraic fractions. To multiply algebraic fractions, first, factor the numerators and the denominators that are polynomials. Second, simplify where possible. Third, multiply the remaining numerators together and denominators together. If you simplified properly, your answer will be in simplified form. Example number 1. Multiply 2x divided by 3 times y divided by 5. First, we don't have any polynomials, so we don't need to factor. We need to simplify where possible. There isn't anything to simplify. So now I'm going to multiply the numerators and the denominators together. So 2x times y is 2xy divided by 3 times 5 is 15. And that is actually our final answer. Example 2. Multiply x plus 1 divided by 5y plus 10 times y plus 2 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so here's some polynomials. So the first thing, factor the numerators and denominators that are polynomials. X plus 1, that is not, it's just going to stay the same. X plus 1 divided by 5y plus 10, I can take out a 5, factor out a 5, and I'm left with y plus 2. And then I have times y plus 2 will just stay there. Divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. I factored and I get x plus 1 times x plus 1. So now that I'm here, everything's multiplied together. So now I can simplify. First I have x plus 1 here, and I have x plus 1 here. I have a y plus 2 here and a y plus 2 here. Now I need to write what I have left. I have 1 at the top, because there's nothing left. And I have a 5 times x plus 1. And that is our final answer. Now, when we're multiplying, if it asks for the restrictions, then you're going to actually give the restrictions. However, most of them will not ask for restrictions, so that will just be your final answer. Again, unless it asks for it, you're not going to give them. Example 3. Multiply x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 3 times 5 divided by 3x plus 6. So first I need to factor the numerators and the denominators that are polynomials. So my numerator here factors out to x plus 2 times x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 times 5 divided by 3 can be factored out, so I'm left with x plus 2. Now I am going to simplify where possible. The x plus 2 here and x plus 2 there. There's nothing else. So I now have 5 times x plus 2 divided by 3 times x minus 3. And that is the final answer. Now we have 2 practice problems, and I'd like you to try these on your own. Pause the video and then check your work. The first one, multiply 6x divided by y cubed times y squared divided by 15. Okay, so first I see there's a y squared here and a y cubed. I'm left with y. And here I can take out a 3, so I'm left with 5, and here I'm left with 2. So I'm left with my final, I'm left with 2x divided by 5y, and that is the final answer. It can't be simplified anymore. Now for the last practice problem. Multiply x squared minus x minus 12 divided by x squared minus 5x times x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5. Okay, so I need to factor the polynomials. I have x squared minus x minus 12, I have 4 and a 3. And it needs to be negative, so it's going to be x minus 4 times x plus 3 divided by, I can take out an x, so I'm left with x minus 5 times, that's a difference of squares, so I get x plus 5 times x minus 5, and then I have x plus 3. Now I'm going to cross simplify. I have an x plus 3 here and x plus 3 here, and I have a x minus 5 and x minus 5. So I'm left with x minus 4 times x plus 5, all divided by x. And that is our final answer. And that's all for today. See you in class.